I'm here with Barry Avery.
I'm here with Cameron Avery.
In today's collection video. Alright.
Here's
We got my Kidda i4618A. Hardwired. Okay, here's the back. Alrighty, here next up we got my Kidda P12040. Battery.
Oh.
The tab also broke on it, so it's just a regular smoke detector without the tab. There we go.
Sometimes it doesn't work.
Yeah, a lot of times it doesn't. I was like, heck, trying to get this out. There we go. It stopped? Oh, there we go. It's kind of falling apart too, but it's just a smoke there. So. My Kidda KN-COS-MB does not talk. Do you want this alarm?
Or do you?
Do you? Okay, here we go. Next up is my first alert, SA304. Come on. It's plugged in, I know it. Come on.
I'm gonna do it.
It takes forever to go off.
I'll do it.
No, I got it. There we go. And next is my Kidda i9030. Is it plugged in? No.
Does this one have a battery?
Here. Yes. It's already been going off.
There's the rocket.
Ah! Jesus Christmas. There we go.
Can I do one?
Sorry, you can do my Kidda 0916. So, Barry will be testing the Kidda 0916.
Here we go.
We're gonna test it. Okay, so up next is my Kidda i9040.
It needs a battery.
Yep. There's a lot of these at my Walmart.
I'll test the next one.
They're really not that hard to find, but here we go. Jesus.
I think that gave me an ear
I know, right? I get an earache half the time.
Okay.
Nope, it was not. No, wait, don't touch it. They sell a lot of Kidda i9040s. Not so much of the P9040s, but whatever. Just saying. Here we go, guys. Kidda P9040. Here is my Kidda P9040 photoelectric version.
What the heck?
Here is my Kidda KN-COB LP2 carbon monoxide alarm. Here we go. Okay, here's my Family Guard
Can I test the last
FG200.
one?
It's not plugged in. It's the Duracell battery.
Oh.
Alright, now we got it.
I'll test the last one.
No, you will. Oh yeah, you will. The SA150B is up there, right?
Okay.
You can test the last one. Like that one, you're not testing. Rip off the tape anyways. Here we go. This one's extra loud. IT covered over it. Alright, here we go. Is my Kidda KN-COS-MBI.
Fire. Warning, carbon monoxide.
Okay,
Read the number.
Gary's doing it.
I swear to God, if this acts up.
On low battery, just give me it.
Put in a.
Pause the video. It's just a battery. Gary, test it.
What the hell?
Alrighty, that has been the smoke detector testing video. The video upload on Barry's. Bye.